So we're going to make a hash brown casserole here. So for that we have a few ingredients. So the ingredients are, number one, we have cream of chicken condensed soup, which is 10.5 ounce. Then we have sour cream, which is 16 ounce. And then we need 32 ounce of shredded hash browns. So we can get it from Great Value. This is about 26 ounce each, so you can use about 1.5 bags. Then you can use about 2 cups of shredded cheese and half a cup of onions, diced onions, and then 1 block of butter, which can be either salted or unsalted. So to begin cooking, we took 2 bags of Great Value shredded hash browns. Make sure that it was defrosted. So it took about an hour and a half outside the freezer. Make sure it was defrosted well, and then we placed it into a bowl that we used for mixing. So here you can see my brother actually helping to mix into the bowl. And then you take the sour cream and you place it into the bowl.
So we're going to put a whole pint of sour cream.
Then you can take the butter that was already melted and you pour it into the bowl.
Then we're going to do about...
And then you take the diced onions and you mix it into the bowl. And then you take the shredded cheese and mix it into the bowl.
Lots of cheese. Then we're going to put a full can of cream of chicken condensed soup. And that is 10.5 ounce.
So one thing, be careful while you're opening cans. Like in this one, my brother, when he was trying to open it, broke. So then we had to use another cutter to cut the can. And then you pour it all into the bowl.
Okay, and we just mix it up again. Just a little bit of pepper. Just a little bit. It's good.
Then we add a little bit more cheese on the top. Make sure it's mixed really well. It might take a little bit time, but use a spoon and like really well mix all the ingredients together. And then make sure you put butter over the aluminum foil paper on the pan, and then you can slowly start putting the ingredients mixed all into the pan and arrange them like in a rectangular shape, and make sure it's all leveled well, and you can use the spoon to make sure it's leveled well, and then you can top it off with a little bit more shredded cheese if you would like.
Okay, almost done. Gonna flatten everything out. The corners all set in. Okay, pause. Is half a cup of cheese. Okay, and then finishing touch is just half a cup of cheese on the top. And voila. This is, come on, bro. All right, now it's ready to be put into the oven. You just put it in for 350 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes, and it should be delicious. The end.
And this is our final product. It was really good. You guys should all try it out.